Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Fabfitfun mystery bundle. So we're gonna do our first mystery bundle battle. That's right, I said first. Let's get into it and I'll let you know what's going on. I have my mystery bundles from the winter into spring edit sale. I've had them for a little bit. Jessica has had hers too. If you follow the channel, you know Jessica over at Everything Proof Beauty, and I'll explain more about her in a little bit. She and I, each season, with usually our edit sales and then our seasonal boxes, we get mystery bundles. And we each open ours up and we kind of battle. We ask you guys to vote for who got the best mystery bundle, basically the mystery bundle you would like to most receive. We have always done it with just the mystery bundles that we order from the edit sales or the add-on sales. But for 2 boxes running, we got the exact same mystery bundle and we're like, well, this is totally not working. But it was funny, one of us always won hands down with the same mystery bundle. Last season, we put together our own mystery bundles and battled each other. And the vote was more even, we almost tied. So we thought, okay, here's what we'll do. We'll ask you guys, and we did it over on our Instagrams, if you would rather see us do a mystery bundle that Fabfitfun does for us, or whether you'd rather see us each build a mystery bundle and battle with that. Well, wouldn't you know, one of us, more of you said, definitely do the Fabfitfun mystery bundle. We like it when you guys are surprised. Okay. Well, the other ones, InstaFeed, said, oh, we like it when you build them and they're completely different. So here's what we decided to do. Today, we're going to battle with the mystery bundles that Fabfitfun built. We each ordered a mystery bundle in the edit sale, and that's what we're going to battle today. And then on Friday, update guys, since I taped this, we have moved the second battle to Tuesday, the 15th. Watch your notifications. We're gonna battle with mystery bundles that we built, and we're going to do them as premieres. I'm going to premiere mine first, and that just means that when the video goes live, I'm gonna be on there to chat with you guys, typing. I'm down here typing. I'm gonna be on there to chat with you guys, and then when mine is finished, Jess will go live with hers and we'll go over to hers as a premiere and we can all chat over there. So if that's anything you have any interest in, we're thinking it's gonna be a lot of fun. But first we're gonna battle this mystery bundle that Fabfitfun put together for us. I haven't even opened this box yet, so let's do that. While I'm doing that, let me tell you, if you are new to the channel, Jessica is over at Everything Proof Beauty, and she and I found each other through YouTube and have become such good friends. We've even met in real life, so that's kind of fun. So we really feel like we know each other now. And she's a blast. She's young enough to be my daughter, doesn't matter. We get along so well. She does an unboxing channel like I do, and Jessica recently started her own subscription box. It's Goldie Boxed. I will be unboxing mine soon. And she's just funny, and she does lives, but she also does great research. So if you have skincare questions, Everything Proof. She wants the proof, so she does so much research. It just turned out to be one of those things in life where you meet somebody, even if it's online, and you really connect, and then you become great friends, and I love that. I will put her link below, and I will also put her link for this mystery bundle. So this first one we're gonna battle is the one that Fabfitfun did for us. So I'm gonna reach in and take the bag right out. There's my mystery bundle. So we won't know until we go live because we don't tell each other what was in our bundle if we got the same mystery bundle, except for we do when we're putting up the community tab for you guys to be able to go over and vote. We do tell each other what we want to label ours. And sometimes we're like, uh-oh. That's how we found out we had a problem last time. I'll tell you more about voting when we get to the end of this. So that's all I'm gonna do in today's video is this mystery bundle. So let's dig in. And let's hope that Jessica has a different one. If you ordered a mystery bundle, and this, I know, I'm asking you to reach back. This goes back to the winter edit sale mystery bundle. If you ordered one, let me know what you got. Ooh, I got some Summer and Rose socks. And these seem, I know right away when I'm taking them out. It seems so basic, but I love, oh, they are soft. I love soft socks. And these are so cute. I have 3 pair, and 2 in pink and white, and 1 in gray and white. I hope that shows. Here, I'll hold it back here. That's one of my pink and whites. That is one of my pink and white. And in the inside, I have, oh, I hope that shows. It's a very, very light gray, almost white. And it's gray, and then the toes and the heels are white. They are so soft. This one is just kind of dotted, kind of like a cheetah would be. Is it a cheetah? Oh, I'm not good at animals. And then this one is that, like, I don't know, a cheetah would be. Let me know below. Which animal is that and which animal is that? I can never remember. These are so soft. I want to actually, I'm sitting up here taping with nothing on my feet and I kind of want to put these on. Reaching in and I'm managing not to see any of this. I have Earth Harbor. Wow. Okay. I'm going out and saying it right now. I think this is a pretty good mystery bundle so far. This is the Earth Harbor Nebula Adaptogen Clarity Ampule in Sea Lavender and Ginseng. We're seeing a lot of Earth Harbor in subscription boxes right now. I don't know if I've tried this one. I was just reading the back and it's squalene, safflower, ginseng, sea lavender, sunflower seed, sunflower vitamin E, and rose. In theory, there's no reason I couldn't use this. Have I tried this one? I think the one that I tried and I couldn't use looked like that, but this part was red. Pink was more kind of a pink. So I will probably try this because I'm not sure that I have. That's kind of fun. And I'll also try and find prices on these and let you guys know down here so you can see the value of the mystery bundle. Okay, next out, it's heavy. Guys, if you watched me do my mystery bundle last time, you know that the mystery bundle that I built, I put one of these in it. So basically what you're saying is Fabfitfun is taking their clues from me now? Okay. I should be building the mystery bundles. I love this. It smelled so good. It is vegan. What is it, you ask? It is a frosting bath slab from Miss Patisserie. They smell so good. Let me take it out because it just looks pink there, but when I take it out, you're gonna see it's usually multicolored. Yep, I think this is the exact one that I had, guys, is it not? The back is just blue, but you can just break off, and I used like a strip. It did not take much at all to color and scent my bath. Now, if you wanted a lot more color or a lot more scent, you could use as much as you wanted. It smells so good. Well, you know I love it because when I built my own mystery bundle, this was in it. That is hilarious. And last out, I have a book. Guys, I could not have built a better mystery bundle. I will say again, if you watch the channel, you know I love planners, books, anything that lets me write. I know everybody in the whole world has gone to putting everything on their phones or everything in their iPads. I like to be able to look, look, I make myself notes for all of the boxes because I just love a handwritten note. So this is a 13-week wellness planner. Simple self, achieve more, and live better. Well, I mentioned the other day that I have just started doing Weight Watchers again. I haven't been way out of control, but I've been a little out of control. And I thought, well, maybe somebody to help me reel it back in. So this might be fun for that. My intention for the next 3 weeks, I will commit to work on and then you can circle things. Sleeping habits, circle. Stress levels, circle. Anxiety, circle. Time management. Are you guys seeing a trend here? Diet, mood levels. I don't think I need to work on my mood levels. I think I'm good. Positive self-talk. We could all use that. Work-life balance, self-control. Self-control? I mean, unless you're talking diet and there's like a pile of cookies, I think I'm good there. You put your start date and your end date and they have you sign it like it's a contract. There's a lot of questions and self-awareness things in the beginning, and then you get into your schedule. And it's like today, and wow, there's a lot of writing. And yet I kind of like it. You check off your water, you circle whether it's Monday or Tuesday, and if it's sunny or cloudy, I guess you can assess your mood. That's kind of fun. That could just be me. I'm willing to admit it. I do love writing things, but it's just that simple. That's what I got in my mystery bundle. So I got the self-care book, the Miss Patisserie body slab for several baths full of awesome scent and color, some really soft socks. I don't know where to... And she juggles. And the Earth Harbor Nebula Adaptogen Clarity Ampule. I've got this perfectly, which if I didn't say says, the answer to finding peaceful energy and the light within your skin is written in the stars. A potent clarifying treatment and gentle glow enhancing elixir. Nebula is a flash absorbing formula for helping distressed skin prone to acne, blemishes, and excess oil. Her advanced blend of concentrated adaptogens, antioxidants, and skin nourishing botanicals soothes chaotic flare-ups, clears congested pores, and restores vitality. That's why I haven't tried it. So it's for a oilier or more acne prone skin. So I'm glad I didn't open it. I will pass this along, but don't hold that against me, because what you're voting now is you're voting for mystery bundle you'd most like to receive. So these are the 4 products that I have. It is a $29 mystery bundle. Hopefully I can let you know here what my bundle was worth. But again, that really doesn't matter because you want to vote for the products, whether they're higher or lower in price, that you'd rather receive. We will put the poll up in the community tab like we always do, and this is where I say the community tab works great if you're on a computer or if you're on your phone. But if you're working from a tablet, for whatever reason, YouTube has not made the community tab work from tablets yet. So you can't go over and vote from a tablet. But if you're using your computer or your phone and you're not sure how to get to your community tab, you can just click on my name or my picture below, and it will take you to my intro page, and there will be several tabs across it, and one of them that you can click on just says community, and when you go there I will have typed up a little poll. Jessica will do the same thing. Feel free to vote on both channels. No, vote for the one you like, and we'll see who the winner is. Like I said, it was basically a tie last time, which is interesting because we have such different ideas of what we build in our own mystery bundles. So what we're going to do next is we're going to meet up again in a couple of days. Jessica and I are each going to premiere our mystery bundles that we built. I'm getting ready to tape it right now. We'll get on and we'll chat live with you guys in the comments. I think she said I was going to go first and then she'll go second. So I'm sure she'll be on mine and I know I'll go over to hers. And then you guys can go ahead and vote in the community tab for that one too. We just do it for fun. It gives us a way to, Jessica's competitive. That's just what you should know right now. She's very competitive, aren't you, Jessica? She's very competitive, and this gives us the opportunity to not only get the mystery bundles, but to have some fun with it. So I hope I will see you in a couple of days when we put up the mystery bundles that we each built. And thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos coming out, and you should get the notification for the premiere if you hit notifications. I say should because YouTube's never 100%. Don't forget to go over now, and I will have linked it to watch Jessica's mystery bundle so you can vote for which one of these you like the best. All right, have a great day, guys. I hope to see you real soon. Bye.